Hey guys, how's it going? This is Puck. Today I want to share to you this book that I put together in 2009. This is my design portfolio. And here it is. I just found it from somewhere in my books and I haven't opened it in a while. I mean, I know what's here, but I haven't opened it in a while. I just put the camera on. I just want to share, go through it, and just share. I don't know, whatever happens, what's in this book. I don't really remember. Um, but basically, the backstory is I went to design school, and we had so many portfolio pieces and just the pieces that I was doing for fun as personal projects, pieces that I was doing for my friends, just other things that I was just doing in general, and it's all related to graphic design, right? Like this is all when I started learning Photoshop in high school and when I started doing just bigger projects in college. And when I finished, I put all this together in this just long PDF. We were supposed to turn in a portfolio, which I did. I turned in as my final project in college. I turned in my portfolio with the year project, and I just grabbed all the projects for this other years and other things that I was just working on, and I just sent them to print, and I did a hardcover design portfolio 2008 2009. And actually after this I did still for every 2 years. So I got a 10 and 11. I have it as well. 12 13 14 15. I believe I stopped at 15. I should recollect again, and that'll be a really cool thing for me to have, my design portfolios for every 2 years. And this one we'll review it and see what I was doing back in the day. First of all, this is the opening page, my face, back in 2009 or 8. This is the cover. Be artistic. So this is the table of contents. I have a picture of the background here that I edited as well for a friend. And then I did some mini covers here. This is my Electropop face. So Mod 1, we started with a PowerPoint presentation. So if you're gonna start learning design, you should know how to set up a PowerPoint presentation. And here I have a band flyer that I did for school as well. We're supposed to pick a band, and at the time my brother was in a band with some friends. So we put it right here. This other one band, it's some music project that I had with some friends as well. So it was like a mock flyer for different bands that I had with friends. This project was really cool. We're supposed to make a mock advertisement for a big brand. So I picked Red, the company that was producing content to help out and with AIDS. There wasn't too much editing, it was basically putting it together. This is another look. This last one is interesting. Basically, I just took another image. I took a picture from a friend. This was a friend of mine, and I'm gonna go through the whole thing. This is a really fun project, yeah. I did a Viva La Vida stamp collection for Coldplay. Not the real Coldplay, but it was a school project as well. So we're supposed to create a collection of stamps for the mail with any theme, but we're supposed to turn them into stamps. So I just picked this album that at the time I was listening to a lot, Viva La Vida, and for every song I picked a very Renaissance type looking picture and art, and I just put it together. At the time I was using a lot of colors, a lot of pop art. So in this collection you can see, this is original images that I was using, and then I was converting them into the stamp, and each of them has a specific theme. For this project we're supposed to make a brochure, and I picked a typography brochure because the brochure was about typography. So basically I was in a brochure of what the brochure was about. So in the class we're supposed to learn about placement of text, fonts, the the weight, the height of the font. And as we were learning on that, we're supposed to put together a brochure explaining something. So I basically was explaining what I was learning. Here's another mock Photoshop poster that I did for another friend. It was a joke. He found a whale terrorizing New York City. This one, it was a colorization project. So we had to pick a vector image for something that we liked. So I picked the Nightmare Before Christmas. So this is a line artwork. I didn't draw it. I found it online. And my project was to colorize it using Photoshop brushes and colors. So this is what I could do back in the day. For this other project, we're supposed to create a board game. Pretty interesting. I have no clue how I would play this, but I think it was based on Battle Royale or the Hunger Games. For this, it was a color composition. So we're supposed to make like an abstract image, an abstract design, draw it. So these ones are the originals. They're all hand drawn. And after we hand drawn it, we colored it by hand with markers. We're supposed to make them into actual designs on the computer. I like the hand drawn way better. There's another poster I did for a friend. You know, I love this book. I still have it since 2008 and 9. That's 10 years. 10 years of a product that I can always look back to and laugh and share and just see the growth in the process, you know? So, you know, I really encourage you, whatever it is that you do, don't trash it, you know? Don't trash it. Don't trash it. You know, everything that I have here, I have notebooks that I started writing when I was a kid, and but your projects, your drawings, your notes, your songs, a painting, anything that you've done, just save it. I cherish it, and you know, one day I will share this to other people, and now I'm sharing it to you. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time.